Hi everyone and welcome to In the News Today.
Today, we'll cover the infamous Golden Cross and what this means for the price of Bitcoin. If you like our content, please leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
Let's recap things a bit first. BTC seems to be in a mid-cycle cool-off period, which is more than needed in a bull market.
We've had an explosive Q4 last year and Q1 this year, and we've reached an all-time high at around 65k back in April.
We've had a bearish period with a Tesla and China mining FUD, where prices have gone down to 28k, and we've slowly started to recover from there.
Now the question is, are we ready for the next leg up, or does Bitcoin need more time before pumping to new all-time highs?
Currently, BTC is trading at around 47k, about the 250-day moving averages, which is a good sign because we have just gotten a golden cross on the daily chart.
To quickly explain this, a golden cross is when the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200-day moving average, and this can indicate a longer-term bullish price action.
To better understand the effects of a golden cross, let's look at the last time the Golden Cross happened.
This was back in May 2020, when, in the short term, the price actually dropped significantly, around 14%. But it's important to note that the general uptrend did not change.
This is why a Golden Cross is not meant to be a short-term indicator. It should be used to understand if the current momentum is shifting from bearish to bullish.
What happens when we have a Golden Cross is people assume that after we get a Golden Cross, BTC will immediately start pumping.
When in fact, in the short term, after a golden cross, BTC has initially dropped in price and entered the reaccumulation phase, which would be characterized by several back-to-back death and golden crosses, as you can see we have had in the past.
Keep in mind that September tends to be one of the worst months for Bitcoin. Just look at the historical ROIs.
Also, if we look at previous weeks, prior to September, we've had 5 green weekly candles, 1 red, and another green one.
Going into what is usually the worst month for Bitcoin, this is not a great setup for the Golden Cross. This is why we can still expect to see a few weeks of price action between roughly 42.5k and 47k.
But don't worry, we are still in an uptrend. How can we say this?
Well, currently at 47k, BTC is trading above some of its key moving averages, meaning the 50 and the 200-day moving averages,
as well as the key 21-week moving average, which we have retested for support and realistically represents the line in the sand for us.
It is the key price level, which we will be monitoring closely in the next few weeks. As long as we hold this key support point, we are still in an uptrend.
That's it for today. We hope you find the information relevant and useful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel for more content just like this.